So the initial petition, as a U.S. citizen, I would file an I-130 for my spouse, for my parent, or for my child under 21. And once that's approved, then if they're here in the United States, I can actually file the I-130 with an application to adjust the status. It's called a 485. That's the application to get your green card, to adjust your status. And if they're abroad, I do the I-130, and then it's a complicated process where it goes to a place called the National Visa Center, and then they send it to the consulate. And then we schedule an appointment for them. They do what's called consular processing, and they come over to the United States, okay? So that's the I-130. Everybody else besides the spouse, parent, or child under 21 of a U.S. citizen is not an immediate relative. And so that's what you're looking at the visa bulletin. These categories will tell you from the time that USCIS, which is immigration, received your I-130 petition, there you have what's called a priority date. Okay, that's the date that you're going to follow in the visa bulletin. And in the visa bulletin, you're going to see that depending on the category, wow, this category, they are now accepting green card applications for people whose I-130 was received by USCIS 2 years ago in January, okay? So that's how that works. So approximately, and the visa bulletin kind of changes all the time, but if, let's say, you are a child of a U.S. citizen, but you're now 21, okay? But you're not married. It's about 5 or 6 years. If you get married, wow, the price of getting married, it's going to be over 10 years. If you're the brother or sister of a U.S. citizen, my friend, you're going to wait about 14 years. So it can be a long wait. But there are other categories of immigration.